A special thanks to a commenter named Ray Reedy, who commented on another video about his method of removing the so-called poker chip. Let's get into it. This is a piece of dental floss, and I'm going to put this underneath here, underneath the poker chip here, and gently move it back and forth to loosen up whatever this gummy substance is under here. To get started, I need to loosen this ring. So we're going to take a piece of cloth, double it over, and loosen that with a pair of pliers. Not the ideal tool to use, as I've mentioned. And again, as I've mentioned, watch the two sides of the pliers. Put the smooth side down and try to get the ring in the center. Don't press down, and just enough to grab the ring. Just enough pressure, because you don't want to maul the ring either. Fortunately, that broke loose pretty easy. So I don't want to push this through. Might fall in. If it does, it's not the end of the world. Okay, the washer's been removed. And again, this is not coming off. So Ray's idea was to put a piece of dental floss underneath here and get underneath the ring. Here I've managed to get the dental floss underneath the poker chip. And I lifted it up with my fingernail and slid this piece of cardboard underneath here, thinking that the cardboard would give me a little more leverage on whatever this, here it is, whatever this glue is. Let's see what's under here. Ooh, it's very sticky. Here's a close-up. That's what it looks like. This white stuff is very, very sticky. Now I just have to clean this off and put the washer and the ring back on. Kind of like the consistency of a thick rubber cement. I'll continue to work on this and reassemble. Slide some polish here. Put the toggle switch where I like it. And we're done. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you out.